Hey everybody, I'm Will with Wild Will Outdoors on YouTube, and today we are exploring, fishing, and metal detecting an 1800s cattle farm. Stay tuned, let's get right into it. This spring is on the way. Wow, it's like 40 degrees today and some of them are blooming. It's only February 16th, I think. Wow. I was literally standing there fishing, and here comes, here's something behind me, and here comes like 10 deer behind this ridge right here. Crazy. There's still one over there right now, but you can't hardly see it. Well, fishing and metal detecting was a bust, so we're just going to finish up exploring some an old house here. I've already metal detected this house, so there's no point in it. I mean, I could come back and metal detect it again, but I don't really have time today, so we're just going to go explore a little bit and then end the video right there. As you can see over there, there it is. It's like on my map it goes all the way back to 1918, I think. So we'll see. We'll just go investigate it and see what it's like. Yeah. Oh look, it's a little turtle shell. He's already gone, but it's still cool. Yeah, this is actually a little bit more cleared out than it was last time I was here. There's a lot more trees and brush than there is now. You can see where there used to be underpinning here. And the nails are just sticking out now. It looks pretty empty. I wonder if we can step. Ooh. May step on the floor joists. Yeah, right there. Floor joist right there. Yeah. The floor's falling in. MHP on that door right there. Wonder what that means. This part of the porch is pretty sturdy. Go around this side right here. Empty room here. Rocks. Hard to tell what them are in there for. Bundle. Here's a door off the back side. Can't open it. Let's go down here. This whole house, side of this house right here, is collapsed. This would have been a lot of empty. I mean, they left whenever they picked up and left here. Oh, look, there's a hole for an old stove. That's cool. Huh. It looks like this room was added on later on, like years later. Here we go. Here we are on the back side, or the right side, from where we come up from. They even had power back then. Look at this old meter or connector. Pretty cool. This would have been on the other side of that door where it said MHP. Probably somebody's bedroom. They probably painted it to mark its bedroom. Look, there's even lights. There's a light socket up there. That's cool. They had power even back in 1918, which that could have not been power back then. They just added it later on before they abandoned it. Well, there you have it. 1800s cattle farm. Metal detecting was a bust, fishing was a bust, but we ended it off here exploring this cool old abandoned house. So anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, and we will catch you again next time when I am out here fishing and metal detecting again. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Made it. Turn right here. still got everything. Yeah, we got it.